Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 16, leçon M. And in this lesson, we'll see together l'adjectif avec la préposition à et l'infinitif. Okay, so we'll end probably with this video or maybe the next one, this big series concerning les adjectifs, okay, but then I thought it might be useful to actually make this video regarding l'adjectif followed by la préposition à and then un verbe à l'infinitif, so a verb that should be at the basic form, so this infinitive form, okay? And then that, I mean, you should keep in mind that it is really common. So we use that quite often in French, okay? So adjective followed by a and then a verb, okay? So we'll see few examples in this video. The first one, for instance, facile à faire, difficile à annoncer, simple à construire, amusant à regarder, triste à écouter. Okay, so if you look carefully in each situations, you've got this first part, it's an adjective, facile, difficile, simple, amusant, triste, and then you put the preposition à, and then you put your verb at the infinitive form, faire, annoncer, construire, regarder, écouter. Okay, so facile à faire, difficile à annoncer, simple à construire, amusant à regarder, triste à écouter. Okay, so let's put sentences now. Un travail facile à faire. Okay, so we had already this facile à faire, but then you just put a word or a noun before. Un travail, a work, facile à faire. Une information, so news, difficile à annoncer. Une maison, a house, simple à construire. Un film, a movie, amusant à regarder. Une histoire, a story, triste à écouter. Alright, so it's actually quite simple, and it is quite often in French language. Okay, so keep in mind adjectif, and then you get la préposition à, and then you put your verb at the infinitive form. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye bye. Au revoir.